fluidity squeeze. Oh, this UPS driver's chill. Anything you can do, I can do better. There's always that one Mexican chick on the crew. Over here, I'll just use the next one. Yeah, I look forward to getting my fucking bike. Damn, I look so forward to it. Just to get out and experience more of life without jogging. Yeah, I like jogging. I like jogging, but not really. I like jogging after I jog. I'm like, hell yeah. I don't like jogging. Damn, these roads are brutal. These roads are fucked. Yeah, you going to reverse home skill. What, is this a one-way? It's a two-way. It's a two-way. You can go that way, bro. You can go that way. They old people on one. And I reacted a little bit to it. I gotta really control myself. No matter what, I gotta control myself. I gotta learn how to control myself. This is a good day to test. And the next one is gonna happen, I'm just gonna smile and help. Fucking old dude was like, back up! Back up! Ha ha. You talking about back up? Bitch, I'm in the tow truck, nigga. You back up. And she was driving in the middle of the road. Like, if she would have gotten all the way to the right of the street, we both would have fit perfect. You know, she was driving like damn near in the middle of fucking the two-way. Anyway, that's the life we live. Doesn't matter, I'm just gonna figure out a way. It's gonna be a good day. Gonna be a good day, yeah. Now I'm not gonna, even though I'm already letting them hit a lick on my day, they ain't gonna fully take it. They gonna take it for like a few seconds and that's it. And that is it. Bitch. That she was backing up and almost ran into another car. I'm like, oh my God. So I just got out and helped. I was like, come this way and move this way. All right, lady? You know I was angry. I was like, man, those old folks don't need that. Just help them out. Just help them out. Just help them out. Just help them out. Oh, dude, I'm tripping. Motherfucker. Empathy. They don't know. They just don't know. They don't know. Just don't know. Something that you don't get better with time, driving. As you get older, fuck that. You don't get better with driving. I'm telling you, we need to really have that stimulus plan. Need to have, but not just for the rich. God damn it. For the elite. Everybody that is a certain age should have access to transportation and it's as reliable as Uber and Lyft comes to you. And it could be done, goddammit. Press a button, a vehicle's there, it could be done. Quality ride, not no fucking rinky-dink shit just because you don't live in a wealthy area, no. I believe that some people really should not be driving. Like, I never thought I'd say that, and I used to, like, when I heard that before, I'm like, nah, man. But when I see it with my own eyes, some people should, and sometimes I'll be fucking up, but that's because of me, not because of, like, there's some people that got two hands on the steering wheel, goddammit, paying full fucking attention, and they just be on some other one. I'm like, damn! I laugh it out, I'm like, well, you do. Maybe give them, if we don't want to take their privileges away, if anything, give them a day where we could take them to the track, like a simulated track or something, and let them drive and act like they're fucking on the road or something, god damn it, so they could feel good. But what? Old people be having the most things in their vehicle. Now let me start talking about old people, because this is all of us. There's some young shitty drivers too. I'm not gonna front. Like, my driving could improve. I know you have to do that, but that nigga's a beast. Is he gonna curve check? Hell yeah, but he got no choice. Good shit, man. Way to make it happen. I remember somebody told me, it's like somebody had gotten sideswiped on the highway, and I don't know the full context. Maybe it was his fault and he tried to act like it wasn't. I don't know. But I know the one comment he got me is like, these fucking 18-wheelers, they act like they own the road. And in my head, I'm like, well, they kind of do. They live out there. I ain't want to start no shit. And then in my head, I'm thinking as well, like, no, sometimes we don't deploy empathy. I don't fully do it. And I know if I don't fully do it, and I'm at least aware of it, I know damn well people don't do it at all. But it's like, people don't realize, number one, driving an 18-wheeler, they don't know what that's like. Two, they really don't give a fuck about you. Like, these small vehicles, little fucking, what they call them, four-wheelers, it's like, it's true. Sometimes people that drive 18-wheelers, drivers are more aggressive, but we have to be. It's because people don't just respect 18-wheelers. They don't give a fuck. If we don't be aggressive, we just get abused, if you will. Like, people just don't give a fuck, and I really can't explain it, but sometimes we gotta be aggressive. As sad as it is, we gotta be aggressive when it comes to driving, switching lanes and shit. Cars don't give a fuck. They just be trying to fucking take advantage of the fact that, oh, that's a slow truck, I can get in there. It's like, all right. But then when trucks are fucking aggressive and they figure out their way in and they like, all right, I'm gonna muscle you off the fucking road, then it's a problem. It's like, nah, man, like all in all, it's a gap between fucking understanding, education, all of that stuff, because we don't understand. We think the world is fully revolving around us. We don't fully understand, but it's a crazy world out there. But it's a great world too. We just gotta educate ourselves and have empathy. We have to see it from another angle, not believe in it, but at least be open to like. And I gotta do better with it too. But we gotta think about that more. And the more I talk about it and think about it, the more I'll ultimately apply it.